Hey guys, today's vlog slash video is about how I make money by flipping laptops on the used market in 2023. So I've been doing this for the past few years and I have great knowledge on how these things work. The laptop I have here today is a Dell E5430 and this is what we call one of those treasure finds since it should have a simple fix. First off, I saw it on Facebook Marketplace. The seller stated it was software issue and can't get it to boot to Windows, and he was requesting a price of 250 ringgit, or also you might know as $57.35. Once I got to the place, he booted up the laptop and the issue came clearer to me where after the post screen it showed an invalid partition error. I tried to haggle him down and we agreed on 200 ringgit or $50, which is an awesome deal, guys.
Oh my god! Wow!
Once I got back, the laptop was inspected thoroughly and I got to know that it has an i5 3rd gen with 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM. Not great but solid specs for a laptop at this caliber. But while in the BIOS, I saw that the boot option was set to legacy, which is kind of weird. So I changed it to UEFI and the laptop started booting fine. I installed Windows 11 Pro and bam, the laptop went straight into Windows. And that's that. Pro tip, pips. If you want to start flipping laptops as well, look for the laptops with software issues since most of it can be fixed with a Windows reinstall or a BIOS mod. Also, just because the laptop is not working, try to mess around more with it and you might just find the issue that is holding it back. This will not only save you money, but it might gain you as well. That is all from me and have a nice day, folks.